Hello. Hi everyone. Sorry for that break in between. I had accidentally forgot to make space for these videos, so my memory reached full capacity, so I need to just move stuff to this flash drive over here, and we're good to go now. Okay. So 2.5 exponential growth and decay. Many natural processes, population growth, money computing, radioactive decay can be modeled by the exponential equations of this format, where y0 represents the initial amount and k is some rate. A bacteria culture starts with 500 and grows at a rate proportional to its size. After 3 hours, the population is 2,000. Find the population after 5 hours. Now, notice how, technically speaking, they did not tell us that it's growing exponentially. So does that limit us to it being an exponential function? No, we can make it an exponential function. And you'll see that for this problem, we'll have the technicality of realizing after simplification that it's not truly an exponential function like written over here. But we can still use this to solve. And in fact, if you take in my pre-calc class, you know that we can use this to solve this. Let's start. So it says starts with 500 bacteria. So right away, that tells me y0 is 500. And then it says 3 hours, population is 2,000. So that means after 3 hours, we get 2,000. So what is 3 when t is 3 hours? That means we have y0, which is 500, e to the k times 3. I'm just going to put the 3 in the front, 3k. From here, I'm going to go ahead and just isolate the k by attacking what's the outermost thing happening to the k, which is that multiplication of 500. What's the opposite of multiplying 5 by 500? Dividing by 500. So I should get 4 on the left and e to the 3k on the right. Now, what is the opposite of an exponential? A log. And explicitly with the e, the opposite of the e exponential is the log ln. So I'm taking ln of both sides. And on the right-hand side, that will cancel this out to where we're just ln of 4 is equal to 3k. And again, similar thing, multiplying by 3. What's the opposite of multiplying by 3? Dividing by 3. So we have k is equal to ln of 4 over 3. Now, technically, I'm not gonna, no, I'll do simplification right now. So that means our function is of y is 500 e to the ln of 4 over 3 times t. This can be cancelable, but we have to be smart about how we're canceling this. Okay? So keep in mind that we can rewrite this top part as a product. So ln of 4 times t to the power over 3. And then because of ln, we know that this can escape if we write it inside the ln. So e, because when actually let me just restate that log rule. I forget if did we do that log rule? Um, we did not. Okay, so let me just state that log rule just in case. Um, ln of a plus ln of b is equal to ln of a times b. I want to say we did do this one. Well, if you go to the third one of these, we know that c times ln of a can be written as ln of a to the power of c. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to do ln of 4 to the power of t over 3. And that will cancel out, and you're left with 500 times 4 to the power of t over 3. And it's no longer this traditional exponent function with that e, and it's just a 4. Does it make this problem impossible to do? No. we can still very much do it. And in fact, it's a bit easier now because there's less to type. So now they want to know specifically what is the. Give me a second. Uh, hello?